Hello, welcome back. Do you guys want to make some spaghetti? I mentioned it in a previous video. Yeah, we're going to use country style ribs, as many Dollar Tree products as we can find, which are a lot of them, and yeah, cook it in a crock pot. Let's get this party started. First off, let's get this open. Let me get a smaller knife. That's better. In the crock pot. So, after about 4 hours, this is what it's looking like. Oh, that goodness. Oh my gosh. Let's see what some of these ribs look like. Hold on. Oh my Lord. Look at that. Oh, tomatoes and goodness, and I wished you could smell it. Okay, put the lid back on. Let it cook for a few more hours. And it's starting to fall apart now. Oh, yes. It looks amazing. I'm just gonna chop it up a little bit. Not chop it up, but mix it around so the meat falls off the bone a little. So this is gonna be an amazing spaghetti. Then you just pull those bones out. And you know, I'm not gonna forget my salad. You cannot have pasta and tomato sauce, well, spaghetti, without a salad. Oops. Serving size, 2 tablespoons. Oh, we're good. Maybe, just kidding. Tell you what, all that goodness. Even being a light dressing, it is so stinging good.